Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do, except to be fully present here, now. Allow your awareness to drift inward like a leaf settling on still water. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool on the inhale, warm on the exhale. With each breath, you are arriving more deeply into this moment, into the sanctuary of your own presence. Begin to recall a time when you felt completely at peace. A moment when time seemed to slow down and you were fully immersed in the now. Perhaps it was watching a sunset, the colors bleeding into twilight. The feeling of warm sand beneath your feet, the sound of waves rhythmically meeting the shore. Maybe it was a quiet morning, a cup of tea in your hands, steam curling upward, and the world still asleep. Let that memory rise fully into your awareness. See the colors, the light, the shapes around you, and as you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in this peace. Now, as you breathe out, release any tension, any thought, any worry. With each breath, you are anchoring this state of present moment awareness deep within your being. Now, I invite you to repeat these words silently in your mind, letting them resonate through every cell of your body. I am here. Now, my mind is enough. Now, day, I am enough. Feel the truth of these words settling into your bones. Notice how your body responds. A softening in your shoulders, a release in your jaw, a deepening of your breath. This is the language of your subconscious, receiving these affirmations as reality. State, with each breath, I am anchoring presence. My mind is clear, like a still lake reflecting the sky. My thoughts come and go like clouds, but I remain the sky, vast, open, unchanging. I am aware of the space between my thoughts. In that space, I find peace. In that space, I find myself. Now, imagine a warm, golden light beginning to glow in the center of your chest. This light is your awareness, your presence, your connection to the eternal now. With each inhale, this light grows brighter, warmer, more radiant. With each exhale, it expands outward. You are learning to live in this moment, fully, completely, without resistance. The past is a memory, released with each breath, and in the state of each bodies. The past is a memory, released with each breath. The future is a possibility, not yet born. I release the need to breath. Feel the truth of these words, dissolving any resistance in your body. Your muscles relax, your mind quiets, your heart opens. This is the state of presence, effortless, natural, your birthright. Now, bring to mind a small object that you can hold in your hand. A smooth stone, a piece of jewelry, a leaf. Imagine holding it now, feeling its texture, its weight, its temperature. This object becomes your anchor for presence. Each time you touch it, you will instantly return to this state of deep centered awareness. The pace of the object in your hand now, and let the feeling of presence intensify. The warmth of the light in your chest grows stronger, merging with the sensation in your hand. Athili, this is your anchor, a physical trigger for the state of present moment awareness. And as you breathe, you are programming this anchor deeply into your nervous system. Every time you hold this object or simply touch your thumb and forefinger together, you will access this state instantly. Now, let the object fade, but keep the feeling alive. The light in your chest continues to glow, radiating peace and stillness. You are becoming more and more aware of the subtle sensations within your body, the pulse of your heartbeat, the rhythm of your breath, the gentle hum of life. It's still, so is a mellingness morn, and my awareness is clear and focused. As simply be here now, and let the peace wash over you. My awareness is clear and focused. Fuch and me here, and the taste moment. In this stillness, he's good mind. Ye NDC, I change to wade with me most to blow, others wisdom show. I am at peace with what is, makes with me, allowing them to sink into your subconscious. Iwabali is relaxed, your breath is deep, your spirit is calm. Now, imagine yourself walking through a peaceful forest. The path beneath your feet is soft, with fallen leaves. Sunlight filters through the canopy, dappling the ground with golden light. You hear the rustle of leaves in the breeze, the distant song of a bird, the gentle flow of a nearby stream. With each step, you are more present. With each breath, you are more aware. You notice the texture of the bark on the trees, the delicate pattern of a fern, the way the light dances on the water. This forest is a metaphor for your mind, vast, alive, and full of beauty. Now, not caught in emotion, you are the space that holds emotion. You are not lost in thought. You are aware of thought. You are not caught in emotion. You are the space that holds emotion. Cetacean, in this space, you find freedom. In this awareness, you find peace. And you know, deep in your soul, that this presence is always available to you. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Fast, the air entering and leaving your body, a constant rhythm of life. With each inhale, you are breathing in presence. With each exhale, you are releasing everything that is not this moment. You are anchored in the now. Your mind is still. Your heart is open. Your spirit is free. Repeat these words silently, letting them become your truth. I am present. I am aware. I am peace. Feel the resonance of these words in your chest, in your throat, in your mind. They are not just words. They are the vibration of your true nature. You are presence. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. The poor thrust. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.